Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's front bumper winch plate for Ford's 21 to current F-150. Step 1. Remove the vehicle's grille and front bumper. We show how to do this in another video, link below. Step 2. Install your winch to the plate as shown using the hardware it came with. Step 3. With the included clip-on nuts under each frame rail, install them into the furthest square hole. With the help of a friend, maneuver the plate under and around the bumper brackets. Hook each side on the top, and secure it with the included hardware with a 19mm socket. The shorter bolts will be used here, and the longer will secure the bottom brackets. Step 4. Install your Pelican front bumper. We show how to assemble the bumper, lights, and sensors in another video, linked below. Finally, assemble your grille. And you're done.